Hi there, this is Jamie here. Welcome to another session of Vista Export Services. In this session, I'll be taking you through my real-time lighting application tool recently developed for a major client. As you can see, the entire web application is running on a Google Chrome browser in real time. That's all you'll ever require to run this app smoothly alongside a good internet connection. No high-end computers or graphics cards were required. To rotate in the scene, hold down the left key on your mouse and move it around the scene. To navigate the scene, use the AWSD keys on your keyboard or the arrow keys. Clicking this button resets the camera position. Moving this slider controls the light intensity of the whole scene in real time. This slider controls the light intensity of the studio area in real time. This slider controls the light intensity of the living room area. Let's move to the kitchen area. This slider controls the light intensity of the kitchen area. For the daylight, this slider controls its light intensity. Clicking this button resets all the lights in the scene. To control the color of the light, simply click this circle here and pick a color. As mentioned earlier, you can also use the slider to control the light intensity. Let's go to the studio area and tweak with the living room lights, the whole scene lights and the studio lights area. This light sign next to the slider allows users to load the IES lights by clicking on it. This is the light options list. The default is currently being used, hence it's highlighted in yellow. You can choose the rounded IES profile or the sharp one. Let's tweak the light colors a bit to give them some warmth. You can obviously have hundreds of thousands of different IES light profiles, colors and other presets all working in real time. Finally, users can click to take render by clicking on this button here. The render dialog has many amazing parameters such as display brightness, temperature, tint, and so many others seen here. Once you're ready to render, you can choose the render size and set it to 4K. You can choose to reset the value, close, or take photo. In take photo dialog, enter your email address, name of sender, subject, message, and click to send the 4K render. It should take a few seconds to arrive in your inbox because of the image size. Also, check your junk mail in case it was flagged. This is the email with a 4K render. It's 15 megabytes in size. These lighting tools and all the other functionalities depicted in my previous videos seen in my profile can also be integrated into this app with great ease. I really hope you found this video and my previous ones useful, and I hope to see you on my next one.